If you're building AI workflows in 2025, you've probably heard of N8N and LangFlow. I'll compare the two tools side by side to help you figure out which one suits your project best. Let's start with N8N. It's a powerful general-purpose workflow automation tool built to help you connect and automate tasks between your favorite apps and services. You can link platforms like Slack, Notion, Google Workspace, and over 400 other tools. The best part? You do it all through a simple visual node-based editor, no complex coding required. Whether you're syncing data, updating CRMs, or handling multi-step operations across platforms, N8N gives you control. And for those with programming experience, you can go deeper using JavaScript or Python to customize each step. It's also open source and self-hostable, meaning you get full control over your data, privacy, and deployment. Now let's look at LangFlow. If your focus is building AI-powered applications, LangFlow might be a better fit. It's designed specifically for working with large language models like OpenAI or Hugging Face, and is part of the LangChain ecosystem. It features a visual drag-and-drop interface that lets you build and test workflows without writing heavy code. LangFlow is ideal for creating AI tools like chatbots, content generators, and semantic search engines. It also includes advanced capabilities like retrieval-augmented generation and multi-agent orchestration. And if you're a developer, you can access and tweak the backend using Python. So how do you choose between N8N and LangFlow? If you're looking for broad automation across apps and services, N8N is the way to go. But if your project revolves around building smart AI tools and workflows, LangFlow offers specialized features perfect for that purpose. Both platforms are open source and come with visual editors, but each shines in its specific domain. The best choice depends entirely on your project goals. And that's the breakdown. N8N, or LangFlow, both offer value, but now you know which one works better for your next automation.